Hey, Dan here from Dan Wagner Window Cleaning website, danwagnerwindowcleaning.com. Cleaning some really high windows. How on earth would you do it? Would you try to use a pole you get from a big box store? Maybe find somebody brave enough, your nephew or whatever, to get on a ladder or scaffolding. Look at those steps. You got high windows above steps. How do you do it well? Look at this. We do it the safe way. We do it with a water-fed pole here in this example. It delivers pure water. Look how high it goes. We can even get higher than that. But we do it safely. We do very high quality work. And we're all over northeastern Pennsylvania. And we're reasonably priced and have 37 years experience as of this video. You can give us a call or text us 570-630-0326. Dan Wagner Window Cleaning. You'll like what you see. Have a nice afternoon.